well. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now is okay? Now my voice is clear better? Okay.
No,
No. Maybe there are some network issues, that's why. Okay. Now, in
ma'am.
this lesson, yes, yes, water better, what happened?
Ma'am, what you said, I have network issue now, so that's why.
Sorry, who is speaking? Yes, sir, what is your doubt, better?
Ma'am, what you said, that I have not listened because I have network issue now.
Hmm. Wait a minute, okay, there is some issue there, okay. Okay. So, in this chapter number 12, we had studied in last lecture, okay. But I have searched a good video for you, okay. So let me show first video, okay. You will see everything which is in this chapter, okay. It will cover all your topics. Okay, let us see first this video and then we will start our chapter. Okay, we will continue. We had finished till here. Okay, we had finished till here. But let me just go to the video and show it to you, and then we will continue our chapter, and we will ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू इन बिटवीन ओके ऐसे नहीं कि मैं वीडियो छोड़ के चली जाऊंगी मैं बीच में बोलती रहूंगी क्योंकि वो वीडियो तो चलता रहेगा पर आपको आवाज नहीं आएगी ठीक है सो आई विल पुट माई वॉइस इन बिटवीन ओके सो एंड आई विल से सो यू कैन गेट वेट अ मिनट ओके लेट मी जस्ट स्टॉप इट बिकॉज मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ेगा मेरे को कहाँ मैंने सेव किया है वो वेट अ मिनट
Hello, ma'am.
यस
Full screen?
यस आई एम शेयरिंग माई स्क्रीन राइट नाउ ओके yep
Yes.
yep my screen is here right
Yes, ma'am. Now,
okay okay close all your microphone let me just speak okay now in this we will study what is renewable and what is non renewable energy okay let's start now we have learned that there is different types of energy these all are the types of energy chemical energy nuclear energy stored mechanical energy gravitational energy sound energy electric energy okay these all are the types of energy okay so these are the types of energy okay chemical energy nuclear energy stored mechanical energy gravitational energy sound energy and electric energy are the different types of energy okay so which sources will say it as a renewable which sources say it as a non-renewable so petrol coal are known as non-renewable. Now first we will learn what is renewable and how we can get this energy. Okay. Okay. Here. The source of energy that is easily replaced by nature can be used forever. That will be finished over time. sorry, not be finished over time, no matter how we use of them. Okay, so this solar energy, biomass energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydropower energies are the examples of renewable source of energy. You can replace it
Ma'am, what is
in short
biomass
time.
energy?
ओके आपको सब बताऊंगी, आता वन वन आता जाएगा, वन वन बताते जाऊंगी, ठीक है। Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy are the examples of renewable sources of energy. Okay, we are cutting the forest, so but we need to plant. Please off your microphone. Between, I don't want any kind of disturbance, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, अब detail में आएगा एक एक. Okay, what is solar energy, what is biomass energy, what is geothermal energy, what is wind energy. Okay, so let me just explain you one by one. Okay, first is solar energy. Okay, many types of solar power. Now many types of solar power plants is used to produce energy. Okay, for example, this is solar cooker. Okay, in solar cooker it will take time. Okay, but it will cook food inside without any power consumption. Okay, this is called solar cooker. Okay, these all are the other examples of okay solar power. When in last lecture I was saying you in bungalow it rooftop. What people are attaching solar panels. Okay, so this is the solar panel in house. So solar furnace and solar water heater are the more examples of solar energy. Solar energy is clean, free and abundantly available, means too much available. But there is one disadvantage, it is not available all the time. रात को नहीं होती है वो 24 hours. And so when there is no good sunlight, we can't get this energy. Now second is wind energy. How heat is producing, sorry, how wind is producing. हवा कैसे बनती है, हम पूछो कभी कभार सोचते हैं ना कि कैसे हवा बनती है. So heat is okay from sun. Heat from the sun differently heat environment of the earth. Okay, so between the earth will, the sun will heat more. Okay, and in corners it will up and down it will less. So it will cause the temperature cause the warm air to move up and cooler air to move down. Okay, so this movement is known as wind. And this wind energy will trapped and serve in various purposes. First is windmill. Now windmill is used for three tips. First, to fetch the water from the ground, to grind the second to grind the grains, and third to produce electricity. The only disadvantage is the speed is sometimes someday is very high and sometimes it is very low. Okay, so we can't get the exact amount of energy every day. Okay, sometimes we will get more energy, sometimes we will get very less energy. Now hydro energy. Hydro means water. Okay, water from we are getting is an energy from the water. This is the हम बहुत हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे डैम्स बनाते हैं गवर्नमेंट. ओके, so from them what is happening, they are producing electricity and this electricity we are using at home. Okay, here देखो ऐसे डैम्स बने हुए होते राइट and after them there is a turbine attached over it. Okay, so when the water will full the turbine will move and it will produce energy and it will rather than sorry it will later converted into electric energy. देखो ऐसे पानी गिरेगा ना यहाँ से पानी पानी गिरने से वो टरबाइन घूमेगा जो राउंड राउंड और टरबाइन घूमने से क्या होगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी. देखो यहाँ से देखो हसन बायोमास एनर्जी. Okay, why food in fruits and food and wood is having energy. If we eat these fruits and vegetables, well, this energy will convert into animals in our human being. Okay, so and we are using this energy. But if it is not used, okay, fruit and vegetables and wood, what will happen? It will decay, means reject. Okay, and the energy is inside the fruit and vegetable will convert. Okay, देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Dead plants and dead animals are also having energy. So there is a plant. Okay, पूरा दिखाएंगे प्रोसेस कैसे होता है. Okay, here. Okay, here it also is used like burning. Okay, burn ये wood और सब burn करके एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं और then वो हमें यूज हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड बायोमास पूरा एक बनाएंगे. देखो डिकम्पोजिशन. ओके, ये सब उसका सब गंदी चीजें को जमा करके कचरे को मैन एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड एनिमल एक्सक्रिएटर्स एंड डेड एनिमल्स डेड प्लांट्स एवरीथिंग इज collected in one bin. Okay, here and then it will get processed origin by decaying, by decomposition. Because of decaying and decomposition the energy will release and this energy is known as the methane gas. Okay, methane gas will release. So this methane gas is known as biogas and then biogas is a very good fuel for cooking and also it will produce electricity. Hasan, समझ आया what is biomass? Hasan?
Yes, but yes, ask that question.
हाँ
Ma'am, Ayaz asked that question. Yes.
Okay, yes, okay. Yes, you know now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you know what is biomass energy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, we will solve our doubts, okay, after watching the video. Now geothermal energy. Okay. As we have learned in lesson number 9 and lesson number 10 that there is volcano, there is magma inside, okay. And what when that magma comes out, it is known as volcano, okay, cracks. Okay, so sometimes what is happening, that lava, from the steam from the lava is trapped and converted into electric energy. Okay, this energy is known as geothermal energy. Okay. Now all these were renewable. Okay, renewable means replace easily and get abundant amount. But non-renewable is very limited. Okay, so we have to use this non-renewable sources of energy very you can say it with बहुत ध्यान से use करना है because we are having limited amount of energy. Non-renewables are petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, coal. Coal means colsa. Okay. रिन्यूएबल में क्या होता है, अगर रिन्यूएबल में अगर ऐसा होता है कि हम यूज करते हैं ट्री को जलाने के लिए, तो इट विल ग्रो अ न्यू ट्री इन 10-15 years. ओके, बड़ा इतना बड़ा ट्री हो जाएगा 10-15 years में. बट if we use petrol, it will take hundreds and thousands years and sometimes millions years to make a new petrol. Okay. Okay, as I told you that human beings and animals are having energy, okay, and when you bury this animals, okay, what is happening after, डायनासोर आए थे, but डायनासोर आके खत्म हो गए, बराबर, वो सब अंदर जमीन के अंदर चले गए थे, राइट, बरी हो गए थे. So that energy will convert and make fossil fuel, okay. So but it will take hundreds and millions of years to make a fossil fuel. but we are using them too much, okay? And if we are using this in this rate, in some years only it will finish, and it will take hundreds and millions of years to make it again, okay? So हम बोलते हैं ना कि पेट्रोल डीजल को कम यूज करो, ये सब यूज कम करो, क्योंकि खत्म हो जाएंगे, एक बार खत्म हो गए तो इट विल टेक हंड्रेड्स एंड मिलियन ईयर्स टू मेक इट न्यू. Disadvantage of fossil fuel is it is causing pollution. Okay, pollutions are causing global warming, and it is not good for health. Okay, धुआं होता है, pollution होता है, is not good for health, right? So this is a big disadvantages of fossil fuels. Okay. तो दिस इज थर्मल एनर्जी. ओके, सब एनर्जी जो हमने रीड की थी, हमने रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, wind energy, hydro energy, and geothermal energy. Okay, biomass energy is not given in our topic. Okay, but we had learned it extra. Okay, these are the renewable sources of energy which can replace in short time. Okay, which is made new in short time and which is easy to get and in abundance, in a big amount. Okay, so we can use it very very much. Okay, we can use it too much. But non-renewable sources of energy, we can't use as much as we want because it is very limited. It will take hundreds and millions and thousands a year to make a new one. Okay, so we have to careful when we are using non-renewable sources of energy. Now, yes, who will read? Mohammed Raza Nayani, can you open your microphone?
Ma'am, can I read with the yes?
Beta, Mohammed Raza Nayani. I want to hear
Ma'am, can
his
I
voice.
read in the Pirayu son?
बेटा आई वांट नयनी. नयनी का कभी मैंने आवाज सुना ही नहीं है. नयनी मोहम्मद रजा.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it for me, please? Nayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your name?
Non-renewable
Can you?
source
What is your name?
of
Your name is Mohammed Raza.
yes,
Okay. Good.
non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy cannot be replenished in
Replenish.
a short period of time. Useless fuels such as petroleum, coal, and natural gas are examples of non-renewable sources of energy. These are formed from the remains of dead
Renewable.
renewable of dead plants
It's
and
remains of yes, beta. Remains of dead plants and animals.
dead plant and animals too. Buried under the rocks millions of years ago,
Ego. Wait,
petroleum
wait, wait,
was
wait, 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 wait. Okay. Non-renewable sources of energy, as I told you that non-renewable of energy, it is not replaced easily. Okay. So, fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal, natural gas are the examples of non-renewable. So, okay, so these are the example. Okay, yes, if when I say that write two examples of non-renewable energy, you have to write it petroleum, coal, okay, or natural gas, whatever you want, okay. So you can write these types of examples. Okay, so these are the examples of non-renewable energy. And this form, how it is formed? It is formed remains of dead plants and animals buried under the rocks of millions of years ago. Okay, so example लेते हैं तो डायनासोर गुजर गए अभी वो डब गए अंदर से ओके वो उसकी कन्वर्ट होते होते वो ये फ्यूल्स बनता है फॉसिल फ्यूल्स ओके this is how it formed but it will take millions of years to make okay so this point is very important you have to take care in mind okay non-renewable energy will take hundreds and thousands and millions years to make a new one. Yes, petroleum. Who is it? Let me just. Who will read?
I'm Bilakya. She is a new student.
Bilakya. Yes. Where is Bilakya?
He left also.
Okay. Okay. Musani left. Okay. Barukya. Okay. Yes. Read it. Yes.
Ma'am, can I look with Ragi Basan?
Okay. Ragi Basan. You have come.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I
Read
read?
करो. रागी बसन को रीड करने दो इतने दिनों के बाद आया है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy cannot be replenished in a short period of time. Fuel fuels such as petroleum, coal, and natural gas are examples of non-renewable sources of energy. These are formed from the remains of animals
आवाज कट रही है बेटा आपकी.
petroleum crude oil. The crude oil is drilled out at an oil rig. Oil rig is a large platform where crude oil is pipped out. LPG, kerosene, and diesel are produced from the crude oil.
Okay. Now crude oil. Crude oil is drilled out from the oil field. Oil rig is a large platform created over the water from where crude oil is piped out. Okay, so crude oil is drilled out from the oil rig. Okay, oil rig means is a big machine. Okay, big machine from where the crude is coming out. To where. After later, this crude oil is divided into different as the petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, petroleum jelly, coal tar, all these things will process. Okay, पहले तो डार्क क्रूड ऑयल निकलता है ब्लैक कलर का डार्क क्रूड ऑयल आता है एकदम थिक इसमें से प्रोसेस कर करके सब बाहर निकाला जाता है पेट्रोल डीजल एलपीजी केरोसिन पेट्रोलियम जेली कोल टायर जिससे हम रोड बनाते हैं ना ब्लैक रोड जिसे बनता है वो ब्लैक ब्लैक कलर का कोल टायर उसको कोल टायर बोलते हैं ओके तो नेचुरल गैस यस बिदा यस
Yes, ma'am. Natural gas. It is a gaseous fossil fuel found trapped between layers of rocks. CNG, compressed natural gas, is a cleaner fuel as compared to petrol and diesel. Coal.
नाम हम
It
बोलते हैं
is a
ना
solid
देखिए
fossil fuel. Coal is
ओके read it continue
yes, ma'am. Coal is mostly used as a fuel for producing electricity and in boilers and factories.
एट फैक्ट्री ओके इसको नेचुरल गैस हम बोलते हैं रिक्शा सीएनजी है गाड़ी सीएनजी है ओके व्हाट इज मीन बाय सीएनजी इज नेचुरल गैस ओके कमिंग फ्रॉम द इनसाइड ऑफ द अर्थ सीएनजी का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस ओके वो एक जो पाइप डालते हैं ना वो पेट्रोल निकालने के लिए तब उसके साथ गैस बनाता है उसको कलेक्ट करके हम सीएनजी यूज करते हैं। सीएनजी मीन्स कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस, द क्लीनर फ्यूअल एज कम्पेयर टू पेट्रोल। इससे उससे हम बोलते हैं ना कि लेस पॉल्यूशन होता है एज कम्पेयर टू पेट्रोल एंड डीजल। ओके, सो इट इज नोन एज क्लीनर फ्यूअल as compared to petrol and diesel and coal. Now coal. Coal is a kolsa. Okay, kolsa. It is solid fusel fuel. Solid means patthar jaise, so this is solid. Coal is mostly used in producing electricity and boilers at a factory. ओके, तो हम यहाँ तक ही अपना रखते हैं। देखो, दिस इज ऑयल rig. ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर oil is crude oil is taking out. This is a machine, oil rig. This is coal mine. Coal अंदर से निकाला जाता है, खोदा जाता है। तो हम यहाँ तक अपना रखते हैं एक बार, और फिर कल आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, so till then take care and have a nice
Okay,
day.
ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.